Hey everybody, Lucas Purton here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we're doing a walk around on a 2013 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW Lariat. Stock number CP15691T. It's red in color. It's got the chrome front grille. Down below we got fog lights and the towing hooks. "18-inch chrome wheels with new tires on them. .7 liter Power Stroke. Chrome running boards. Keypad for entry. Let's look inside here. Power windows and locks. Power seat controls, leather interior, the center console with plenty of room for your drinks, 8-inch touchscreen dash. It's powered by a Microsoft Sync, console storage, more cup holders. Back's got plenty of room for your passengers. This vehicle is in very good condition. The fold down armrest with the cup holders. The bed has the spray-in bed liner. This truck is 4-wheel drive. Got the hitch for towing. If you can see under here, it's also got the backup camera. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Again, we got a 2013 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW Lariat. Stock number CP15691T. I'm Lucas Purton. Don't forget to come out and visit us at Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Or give us a call at 937-778-0830.